are coming because of magnetic field, okay? And they are coming from very, very strong magnetic field that's acting on your system. And your system must be at very, very low temperatures. So what is happening here? What is happening? You assume to model this problem by assuming non-interacting electrons. There are tremendous number of electrons in your system, but these electrons are assumed to be non-interacting. They are not interacting with each other via electrostatic interaction. And presumably coming to the fact that these Landau levels that we have, which are coming as a consequence of the variation in magnetic field, what you have is you have those patterns of resistivity, because now you have a very, very fundamental quantity. A fundamental quantity like resistance, which you are writing in terms of the very fundamental constants of nature. As I said in the beginning, that the resistivity in xy direction is h by e square k, where k is an integer. So that means these plateaus that you have, these plateaus that you obtain, okay, you have a plateau. So for the plateau, you have Landau levels, okay? But as you increase the magnetic field, these Landau levels are filled by the electrons. Are you getting my point? Once this Landau level is filled, you have a transition, okay? You have a transition and you have a next level of quantized resistivity. Are you getting my point? Okay? So this is the story of integral quantum Hall effect. So if we quickly go for the introduction here, what we have a two-dimensional electron gas that I have talked about, that how we achieve this two-dimensional electron gas in terms of gallium arsenide sample that was used in the original experiment. And what happens here? Your Hall resistance, it becomes quantized, okay? The resistance becomes quantized. That means you have a more fundamental constant of nature. This is used in metrology. Now you have a very standard unit of resistance in terms of the Planck's constant and the charge of electrons. Okay? So the origin, as I said, electrons form what?